Tucked into central Alberta's rolling prairies, Big Valley is a village where the past still echoes through historic landmarks, old railway ruins, and whispered stories of drama on the frontier. For tourists, it's a place of quirky attractions and living history. For those seeking a new home, it offers a welcoming community, affordable living, and a slower pace of life. Founded in the early 1900s, Big Valley began as a ranching settlement before the arrival of the Canadian Northern Railway in 1911. Practically overnight, the village transformed into a railway hub with a roundhouse, stockyards, and maintenance shops. For a brief period, it was one of central Alberta's busiest small towns. Though its railway glory faded as operations shifted elsewhere, Big Valley adapted. Coal mining sustained the town through the 1910s and 1920s, and oil discoveries in the 1950s brought another boom. Today, the village honors that past while looking forward, with tourism and community pride breathing new life into its streets. Despite its size, Big Valley is rich in attractions. There's the historic railway station and museum from 1912. There's the Roundhouse Ruins. There's the Jock Boardwalk. There's St. Edmund's Anglican Church, also known as the Blue Church. There's the historic grain elevator, 1930s McAlister Motors Garage Museum, the Creation Science Museum, and the Alberta Prairie Railway excursions, of course. From museums to prairie walks, Big Valley is a place where every corner seems to tell a story. But not all of Big Valley's stories are in museums. Some live in rumor, oral history, and half-remembered headlines. One of the most infamous tales is the Great Brothel Fire of 1921. According to reports from Big Valley News, a house owned by a woman named Hastings, located about a mile north of the village, burned down in the early hours of December in 1921. The building was widely believed to be a brothel. Its occupants escaped with nothing but blankets, suffering exposure in the winter cold, and the estimated loss was $50,000 in today's money. What makes the fire so compelling is not just the event, but the mystery. No official investigation followed, no charges were laid, and no clear explanation was given. Locals whispered that many husbands in the community had been regular visitors, and some believed it was the town's own women who set the fire, determined to put an end to temptation and scandal. Whether accident, arson, or retribution, the truth was never uncovered. For those thinking about moving to Big Valley, it offers a rare combination of history you can touch and a community where everybody knows your name. There's around 332 people living in Big Valley right now. It's small, but it's very close-knit. It does have very safe streets, community events, and recreational amenities like a golf course, ball diamonds, a hockey rink, and playgrounds. Housing and costs of living are modest compared to larger Alberta towns and cities. It's located about 32 kilometers south of Stettler and about 64 kilometers north of Drumheller. It's rural, but with easy access to bigger centers. The economy here is rooted in ranching, oil, and tourism, and the median family income has been rising steadily in recent years. Big Valley appeals to families, retirees, and anyone craving small-town life with a strong sense of belonging. Big Valley isn't just another prairie town. It's a living time capsule where the railway era, the oil boom, and even whispered scandals like the brothel fire all weave into a larger story of resilience. For tourists, it's a charming day trip or a weekend getaway full of history, quirky shops, and unforgettable steam train excursions. For future residents, it's a chance to slow down, raise a family, or retire in a place where history, affordability, and community meet. Whether you come to explore its museums and boardwalk, ride the train, or dig deeper into its more mysterious past, Big Valley is a reminder that even the smaller places can hold bigger stories. We would love to hear from you. Have you been to Big Valley? What do you make of this historic prairie town? Leave your comments below. And remember to subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button as well. Until next time, take care and thank you.